Today I'm going to Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition, the most influential and comprehensive lighting and LED event in Asia, to explore the latest trend in home automation, low carbon building and the power distribution. I already registered from the internet, so it's easier to get a badge and the exhibitors list. First, beautiful decorated lamp, neon, and the flexible strip. You can see this is for control system and platform for building and rail traffic and industrial lighting. Beautiful flexible strip. The chip on both strip for indoor and outdoor. It says use the OSLAM technology. Intelligent dimmable LED driver. They have factory in both Vietnam and China. There are many kinds of touchscreen switch here with many innovative features. There are around 3,000 suppliers attending this exhibition. The products are inclusive from the light sources, lighting accessories, electronic components, to manufacturing equipment. LED driver are power supply, showing the application in the city, architectural, street cultural, and tourism lighting. Also, solution for lighting, ecosystem, immersive technology, bio-optics, smart agricultural, automation solutions, and smart audio. Visual entertainment system. There are some trending such as health and experience focus, high-end demand for smart customization and bundle solutions. And last is the energy efficient, eco-friendly material and lower emissions. So, which tech impressed you most? Drop a comment.